Test 1 2 1 2. Hello there. I'd love to welcome you to this stream. Thank you for joining me. My name is Lobosi Charts, or you can call me Lobosi Forex or Lobosi Stocks. And I'd love to welcome you to this video lesson. So I'm here to talk to you about the bullish candlestick screener. Now, this is a very important topic. Now, before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentors. Uh, you know, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Tim Sykes, who wrote the foreword to the book The Penny Stock Course. And finally, Matthew Creta, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks. And you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. Okay. So, the bullish candlestick screener. Now, this is a precision engineering screening tool designed to identify high probability bullish reversal opportunities. All right. So basically, what I am doing is I'm using candlestick patterns. What's happening here? I'm using candlestick patterns to find high probability trades. So the methodology, the screener implements multi-layered filtering architecture that systematically eliminates weak setups while surfacing high quality bullish reversal candidates by operating on the 4-hour time frame. It strikes an optimal balance between signal frequency and reliability. So the screening logic prioritizes stocks demonstrating concurrent bullish signals across multiple technical dimensions, which include pattern recognition, volume confirmation, and volatility. Okay. So basically, we're focusing on momentum and daily price action. So there is a price change threshold. So the screener requires a positive daily price change, ensuring that candidates are demonstrating immediate upward momentum. Okay. I don't know. I'm not feeling this presentation, you guys. But anyway, let's keep going. So basically, what happens is we're focused on the moving averages, right? So basically, you want the price to be above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So the price is represented by this brown line here, and then the 50-day moving average, this maroon line, the 200-day moving average, just like orange line here. So this is a demonstration of what you want. So you want the price to be above the two moving averages, right? You want it to be above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. So when prices resides above the EMA, simultaneously it occupies a technical sweet spot where both short-term momentum and long-term trends support bullish continuation. So this confluence dramatically reduces down risk. So the patterns that we are using here, there are only 3 patterns: the bullish engulfing, and the hammer pattern, and the morning star. So a bullish engulfing is a 2 candle pattern where a large bullish candle completely engulfs the prior bearish candle's body. Okay. The hammer pattern, single pattern, a small real body near the top of its range and long lower shadow. Then we also use the morning star pattern. Okay, 3 candlestick pattern consisting of a bearish candle, a small bodied candle. Yeah. Also volume and liquidity matters. Okay. Okay. So these are the markets that you can use this candlestick pattern on. You can use it on the Dow Jones, on the S&P 500, on the Nasdaq, or on the Russell 2000. All right. So in case you can also put price filters. So what you have to do is you need to access the TradingView stock screener. That's where you can access the Dow Jones, the Russell 2000, and all that stuff. So position sizing. So make sure you don't risk more than 2% of your trading capital. Avoid chasing. Have a profit target. You know, and all that jazz. To do trade journaling. Trade your journals. Let me trade your journals. What the hell does that mean? Yeah. So that's the presentation. It kind of sucks. I won't lie. I should have prepared a better presentation. But the key about the when I created this presentation, I created it with the intention. But two things I want you to remember are this. I want you to remember these patterns, okay? These patterns are very, uh, very important. So just remember these three candlestick patterns. Very important. Um, Let me see if I can find a better presentation. Yeah, I think this is a better presentation. Let me see what we have here. There we go. Okay, I think that's better. So basically, this is what you are looking for. We're looking for these three candlestick patterns. All right, this is what you are looking for. Okay. So remember the candlestick detection that you're going to see has these three patterns. Now, even in the demonstration that I'm going to show you, you're actually also going to see bullish candlestick detection patterns, right? So the thing about candlestick patterns is that there are a lot of candlestick patterns, and so you, know, you choose the ones that you prefer to detect. You can actually choose uh, the ones that you prefer. Let me see here. So it could either be the morning star, and the morning star pattern, the middle candles indecision reflects an equilibrium point where neither bulls have clear control. When bulls follow with a strong up candle, it confirms their takeover of the auction process and signals potential trend reversal or continuation. So remember, there are two patterns. It's either a reversal or continuation. And this is very important for you to remember, because this is the exact same pattern that I saw gold. Some people call it a cup and handle in gold. So again, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Let me see what to. I'm still waiting for this to load. So meanwhile, as we're waiting for our trading view to load, I'm just gonna leave it here for like 2 minutes. Study these three candlestick patterns, because these are the candlestick patterns that I use for my bullish screener. So let's study this. I'll be coming.